Finally got the 7-inch Fiskars pruning blade. It's actually really awesome. Best part about it is this right here. It actually is ideal for cutting thick branches. Fully hardened precision ground steel blade stays sharp even through heavy use. Blade folds into handle for convenient storage and transport. Blade locks in the folded and unfolded positions for safety. Non-slip grip, the best part. Full product lifetime warranty. Even over here on the front, no little disclaimer, additional notes or anything. Full lifetime warranty. Best part about it is this right here. Of course, we got all this other random stuff, but here, where is it? Where is it? There it is. The folding saw. There it is. So that worked out really awesome. Should be a pretty cool tool to be able to utilize. Let's see if I can prop this up and show this real quick. Maybe. I don't know if this is gonna work out. There we go. Using my water bottle as a prop. So there's the blade. Whoop. There we go. Definitely like the fact that it has this locking mechanism right here. That way as you're pushing down. Anyway. There you go. Press that up. I'm going to be able to close it. And there we go. That's awesome. So now I'll be able to cut up different kind of pruning branches, things of that nature. On the go, I'll be able to carry this in my pocket, cut them up. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as soon as I'm able to utilize this, I'll make another follow-up video showing hopefully the process as well as utilizing the blade itself. So there we go.